Don't let someone ruin your peace just because they can't find theirs. I know it's tempting to match their energy. Pag may taong magulo, maingay, bitter, or constantly looking for a fight, minsan gusto mo rin patulan para fair, para patas. Pero listen, your peace is expensive. Don't give it away for free. Hindi mo trabaho ayusin yung taong ayaw mag-heal. Hindi mo responsibility i-carry yung bigat na ayaw nilang bitawan. And here's another reminder, firm lang. If you don't know the whole story, manahimik ka. Kung hindi mo alam ang buong kwento, manahimik ka. Ang daming nasisira dahil sa opinyon ng taong hindi naman kasama sa proseso. Hindi ka present nung umiiyak. Hindi ka present nung nagtitiis. Hindi ka present nung lumalaban mag-isa. So, bago ka mag-comment, ask yourself, kumpleto ba yung alam ko or chismis lang? Now, breathe. What a privilege to wake up with a chance to try again. Maraming tao kahapon ang huling araw na nila. Ikaw binigyan ka ulit. So today, don't waste it on petty fights, validation, or proving a point. Choose peace, choose progress, choose silence when silence is wisdom, and never regret having a good heart. Hindi pagiging tanga ang pagiging mabuti, pero maging wise ka. Be kind but have boundaries. Be loving but don't easily accessed by people who only show up to drain you. Everything good comes back to you. Maybe not the same way. Maybe not from the same people, but it comes back. And last thing, everything is a win if the goal is to experience. If you learned, panalo ka. If you healed, panalo ka. If you walk away from what broke you, panalo ka pa din. If you stayed soft in a world that tried to harden you, panalo ka. So, protect your peace. Stay quiet when you don't know. Be grateful you get another day. Keep your heart but keep your standards. Tomorrow is built by what you tolerate today.